Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our 7th session for linear inequations. In the last session, we discussed graphical solutions of linear inequations. We did some basic problems. In this session, we'll be taking more problems based on linear inequations and will strengthen our concepts on graphical solutions of linear inequations. Okay? Okay, to begin with, I write down the problem over here. I have the problem x plus 2y is less than equal to 8 and 2x plus y is also less than equal to 8. Then I have y is greater than equal to 0 and x is greater than equal to 0. Right? So y and x, both of them are greater than equal to 0. That means we are talking about the first quadrant only. Okay, because the first quadrant is the only quadrant where x and y, both of them are greater than 0. Right? So we are talking about this region. Okay, so these two are solved. Now we have to take these two one by one. So when x plus 2y is equal to 8, I just draw the line. When x is 0, over here, x is 0, y will be 4, and when y is 0, x will be 8. Okay, over here, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8, and when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So this line is 0, 4, 8, 0, and this is 0, 8, 4, 0. I just mark the points. This is 4, 0, 8, 0, here it is 0, 4, and here it is 0, 8. So one of my line is 0, 8 and 4, 0. So that is, I just draw the line neatly. So this is the line. Okay, so that is passing from passing through 0, 8 and 4, 0, and the other line that is passing through 0, 4 and 8, 0, that is this. Okay, now first of all I mark x plus 2y less than 8. Equal to 8 line I already know, so I just mark less than 8. Now this is the line of 2x plus y, that is passing through 0, 8 and 4, 0. So this is the line of 2x plus y is equal to 8. Right? So 2x plus y less than 8 will be this region. Okay, we are to take the region right hand side this and above this. Okay, so and the other is x plus 2y is equal to 8. So that is this line. So we need to, I just change the color. We want x plus 2y less than 8. So the region will be this. Okay, and this is the region where y is greater than 0 and x is greater than 0. Now you can see the area in first quadrant which is having both green and red lines. So that is this area. You can see this area. So that is having green lines as well as red lines, and that is in first quadrant. Over here also it is also there, but here x will be positive but y will be negative, but we want y and x, both of them, to be positive. So only first quadrant we have to consider, and we have to consider the area where we are able to see the green lines and the red lines. Right? So this is our solution region. Isn't it very interesting and simple? Now here we have this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 systems of equation. Right? X is greater than 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. Both of them are greater than equal to 0. That means we are talking about first quadrant. Right? Now I take x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. That's clear. That's clear. Then I take x minus y is equal to 1. So the points will be when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1, and when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So this is the line that this line will pass through these 2 points. Then we have x plus 2y is equal to 8. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, and when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8, right? Then we have the third line, 2x plus y is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, and when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, right? So we have these coordinates, and these coordinates. So first of all, what we do, we just draw the lines in fact. Now first of all, we are talking about the first quadrant only, okay? Now when we mark this point 0, minus 1, 1 and 0. So what I want is 1, 0, 8, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so I just mark the points. This is 0, 0, this is 1 and this is 8. So this is the point 1, 0 and this is point 8, 0. And on y-axis I want 0, minus 1, 0, 2 and 0, 4. So this is minus 1, so that is 0, minus 1, and here it is 0, 4 and 0, 2. So this is 0, 2 and this is 0, 4, right? Now we draw the lines. The first line is passing through 0, minus 1 and 1, 0. So I just draw the line. Zero, minus 1 and 1, 0. So this is the line. Okay. Then the second line is passing through 0, 4 and 8, 0. So 0, 4 and 8, 0. 0, 4 and 8, 0. Okay, so this is the line. Then the third line is 0, 2 and 1, 0. So 0, 2 and 1, 0. This is the line. Okay. Now first we mark x minus y less than equal to 1. So this is the line of x minus y is equal to 1, right? So x minus y we want less than 1. So the region above this line, or we can say left hand side, will be the favorable region for x minus 1 less than 1. Okay, so this is the favorable region for this. Then we have x plus 2y less than 8, right? So that is a line passing through 0, 4 and 8, 0. So that is this line, and we want less than 8. So I just draw the region. This is a region. Okay. Then we have the third one, 2x plus y is equal to 2. So this is the line, this line. 2x plus y less than 2 we have to mark. 2x plus y greater than 2 in fact we have to mark. So the region right hand side this, I just changed the color. So this is the line. This is the line 2x plus y is equal to 2. So the favorable region will be right hand side. Okay. Now since x and y both of them are greater than equal to 0, that means we are talking about first quadrant. Now just check in first quadrant where you are having all the three colors, right? That is green, purple and red. So that is this region. You can see this region is having all the three colors, red, green and purple. Okay, so this is the favorable region. In this region x and y both of them are positive, and this is the solution to these other three systems of inequations. Okay, so I hope you are getting it. Now in this question we have been given a shaded region and we have to find out the linear inequation, and their solution must be this shaded region, right? Now we have been given various lines over here. Now just observe the lines one by one. Now this line is y is equal to 3 and our shaded region is below this line. That means the first thing is y should be less than equal to 3. Since we are having the solid line, I am taking this equal to sign. So first thing is y is less than equal to 3. So this line we have touched. After that we have this line x is equal to 3. So this is the line of x is equal to 3. So left hand side we have the shaded region left hand side. That means on this side x will be less than 3. So again this is a solid line, so I'll be taking x is less than equal to 3. So this line is also covered up. Okay, now next is you can see this is origin and we are just considering the first quadrant, right? So x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. So we got the four things, right? Now we are left with this line, 1, 2 and 3 lines. Okay, now just take them carefully. The first line is x plus y is equal to 4. Now this is the line of x plus y is equal to 4. Now we have the left hand side, the region is a shaded region. So on this line x plus y is equal to 4. Above this line x plus y will be greater than 4. Below this line x plus y will be less than 4. So our shaded region is below this line. That's why x plus y will be less than equal to 4. Okay, next is x plus 5y and this is 4. Right? Now this is the line of x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now the region below this line will be x plus 5y less than 4, and the region above, that is right hand side this line, will be x plus 5y greater than 4. So we have the shaded region above this line, right, this way. So x plus 5y will be greater than 4 over here, equal to 4, greater than equal to 4. Then we have the line 6x plus 2y is equal to 8, right? Again left hand side of this line will be 6x plus 2y less than 8 and right hand side of this line will be 6x plus 2y greater than 8. So our shaded region is lying on the right hand side of this line. Like this is the line and the shaded region is lying right hand side of this line. So right hand side of this line, that means 6x plus 2y greater than equal to 8, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 lines and we have got 7 system of equations over here. So that's pretty easy and interesting as well. I hope you are clear. So friends, we have discussed almost all the concepts and almost all types of problems based on linear inequations, right? And I hope you might have enjoyed the sessions of linear inequations. So I'll see you in the next session with some new concepts, new topics. Till then, bye bye.